Part of this talk box lead, we're going to be at the 7th fret on the 6th string, and we're going to hit the 5th string at the 5th fret. So we do that twice, and then we're going to go into 6th string at 7 to 5th string at 5 and 7. Then we're going to go right to the 6th string at 5, give it a little pull down, then we'll hit 3 and then open. So what we have together, 1, 2, 3. Then we repeat that. Then we're going to come up after the second time. We're going to slide into 5 and 7 on the 5th string. Okay, we're going to do that again. So you see how the lick is similar, but he changes it. Okay. So the next part goes like this. I'll show you and then we'll kind of break it down. Okay, so similar but different. And what we're doing 6th string at 7, and then we're going to hit 5 to 7 fret on the 5th string. Do that again. Back to 5. Then we go to the 6th string at 5th fret. When we hit the 3rd fret, we're going to slide back from 5 to 7 on the 5th string rather than go to open. It's still an E, but you can vibrate this and give it a little vibrato. We can do a 5-7 to 5-7. So it's just like the first lick, and then you're into the. So what we're doing for the first part of that lick is we're going to go from the 9th fret on the 3rd string to 7 to 6. The 4th string we end up at 9. We're going to go from 9 to 8 and then 10 on the 2nd string. And when we hit 10, we're going to bend it up and release to 8, and then we do our 9, 7, 6 again. Then we're going to come and slide. We're going to go from 7, we're going to slide into 9 on the 4th string, hit 7 on the 3rd to 9, and then we come all the way up to 14 on the 3rd and bend that up and hit our 15. We do that 4 times total and then release it. Then on the 5th time we're going to bend 14 up and we'll catch 12. Okay, so we're bending 14 up, catching 12 on the 2nd string to 12 on the 3rd. Then we're going to catch 14 on the 4 and 14 on the 5th. So all together we'll stretch 14 up and catch 15 4 times. We'll start from there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we're going to take 15 and bend that up a full step. Hit it 3 times with a full bend. And then a release to 12, and we're going to do similar with 14 on the third string. So it's kind of a bend release, and then 14 back to 12. Okay. Give 12 a little vibrato, and then we're going to come onto the second string and slide up from 11 to 12. So we do that 4 times. Then we're going to hit 15 back to 12. Then we go back to 15 on the second string and bend that a full step up. And then we're going to hit 15 unbent. And then we're going to hit 14 on the third string and bend that up to 12, bend and release. Then we'll hit 14 on the third string, give it a bend up and a release to 12, and we'll catch 14 on the fourth string. And then we're going to move our position back, and we're going to do fourth string at 9 to third string at 7. And that takes you back into another lead with the slide. So if you watch Joe Walsh do this live, they kind of keep the beat going, and he switches guitars between this. So it's pretty cool how he plays both parts live. And again, this is the recording, and he does it different live each time, but very similar. So we'll get to the last outro slide lead and finish up this. Okay, so let's take this last lead. We'll take it by segments, and to start out with, we're going to go from 16 to 17 on the 3rd fret. I'll play it and show you what we're doing. Okay, so what we're doing there is we're going from 16 to 17 on the 3rd string, and then we're going to hit the, at 17, the 2nd string, and we'll hit it twice. Okay, and slide that back a little. As you slide back, you're coming back to 17, and you're going to hit 2nd string at 17, slide that back. We just slide back on the 3rd string to about 15, and then we're going to do it again. We're going to slide from 15 to 17 and catch the 2nd string on 17, but only once. Okay, and then we come back to 15 on the 3rd, and then we're going to go to 19, then 14, so we have this. Then we're going to slide on the 3rd string from 11 to 12 and catch the 1st string at 12. So the next lick should sound kind of familiar. We're going to go on the 2nd string from 11 to 10 and then catch 10 and slide that up to 12 on the 3rd string and catch the 1st string at 12. Then we're going to just slowly slide that up to 14. Okay, and then we take, we're going to do a real similar lick that we did up here. We're just going to do it on the 1st and 3rd string. So we're going to slide from 12 to 10, and then as we come back, we're going to catch 11 on the 3rd string. We slide up to 15, and we're going back and forth between the 2nd and 3rd string. So then all the rest of the licks are just like we did in the beginning, just kind of jamming in there. It's really hard to kind of show this, and again, Joe never plays it the same twice, so I hope this gives you some of the licks that he did in some of the areas and some ideas to play along with the song. So I hope you enjoy.